pride a woman took wearing this. Some of the three-color glaze. These women stand about 2 feet tall. I think this is designed to represent probably their clothing styles, but more importantly, their hairstyles. This is lovely because it's animated. Stands about 18 inches tall. Some kind of sarcophagus, but notice it's in 2 pieces. I mean 3 pieces. The lid's in 2 pieces. From the Northern Wei dynasty. Some whimsical circus characters. A man balancing on the end of a pole held by another. But these have been owned by a small child, do you think? Here's the model for the statue in the park. And with the same ultimate theme. This is interesting because it looks like an Appaloosa, and I can't tell whether the man's carrying a dog or a sheep. Perhaps a sheep, and if that's the case, he's a herder, I would imagine. Here, a man with a bird on his head carrying a dumbbell. And a musician. Perhaps a flautist. And a zither player. This is an outer coffin, or sarcophagus type thing, which the Egyptians would appreciate with all of the work done to the panel, the relief work. A very delicate gold-traced coral red porcelain bowl from the Qing dynasty, 1723 to 35. And this referred to as a tray, but some kind of pot, 5-footed. Another army. Notice there are different hand and arm positions, though presumably all of them were holding some kind of a weapon. Notice the green color versus the red, probably different type of warrior, also different hats, perhaps indicating rank. This is a gilded bronze, presumably silver, zun container, whatever zun is. Here we can see the sewer pipes, how they're used. Probably with pitch. Here he goes. He's got to show him how to do it. Get it swinging, it'll pick up its momentum. Oh, guess you're not supposed to do it. Alright, now we give it a good whack. Hear that all over the old town. Wake up a few of the ancestors. 2 different design BC for some reason. An iron instrument of torture. Another. Iron chisel. Another kind of a chisel. This is the excavation of the bronze chariots and horses. I don't know if this is one of the acrobats referred to or not that were in Qin's court.
这个叫金刀龙，全部是黄金做的，还有马头上的龙筋。
Sometimes when they push me hard, I just say fuck it, and I push right into them, push them right out of the way. And then this used a carriage of sorts.
这两辆真人车当时啊，就是还在那两个车上发现的时候，这个拿14个这个金人，也就是说2辆3个这个车马全部出去，全部都是拿金人看出去。那要说金船的话，不管是他们。
此车呢，您可以单说，同样的
You can see inside there. I'm going to focus in so we can.
首先，观察一下两边啊，
When we look at the small size of this carriage, though, remember that the horses are probably, what, a quarter size? So it would have been a fairly large carriage, drawn by 4 horses. The lady was demonstrating this umbrella stand, and it's rather clever. Apparently it's got 2 shafts there, so it can elevate and lower. Also it can detach, and it almost looked like a portion down there becomes a weapon.
伞盖打开，太阳从我们的正前方斜射地平面时，伞盖好断，有个小滑道拉车，可以调节到那边，遮挡住那一面的太阳。把伞布放上去的话，就那边太阳就太冷了，我们这边人都会被晒着。到了中午12点整的时候呢，插销关闭，上下成一线。下午关闭以后，太阳从西北方向这样斜射地平面的话，这把伞盖上面打开。单独拉这个锁是拉不开的，这是一个按锁的原理，必须要提起上面这个母扣，母扣提起以后，这个伞盖就